Thank you, my Bishop, Your Excellency, my DP, my mom, Mama Dorcas, Waheshimiwa, and Priesthood Fellowship Church. Praise God. Amen. I'm blessed. I love you so much. I love your family. And social media ati umekuwa myang na una shine. I'm happy. Kusidia maodo ni maradhite, but mauga ni rasoka kidzana ati mmekaa pamoja mmeanza kufanana. So continue. We are praying for you. We know maodo ni maguthi magerere na niturakuhoera muno ni ngukwira ona ni ndukoria kiuria Ngai agikombania mahinde maku ndakirite na ni amaragiria na ni ameraga kiria ugatwika so kiu Ngai abangite ugatwika na it's going to become, and the Bible says ati anyitaga kiambiriria na kirekero gitu kogo ndukamakione gatagate no thiko ithatu tu urwiro amara mai matige kurura unywe mai matheru. And I love you all. Thank you for supporting him, my friends, my girlfriend. Watu wanasemanga ni sister yangu. Yeah. Wajikumuhea na wengine wote. Karibuni sana. Mom, I also love what you do. I have a daughter by the name Dorcas, so you are my daughter, and my mother-in-law is Dorcas. So, tukanyitoka nyitanete ogwo. I also love taking care of the old women, our mamas, and it has been my dream to have a home, Mom Dorcas, because of my mother-in-law, to take care of the old. I've taken care for her for 3 years. The mother of my household. She always calls me because the guy kana like gaga idio shake kana dawa. Ajerga mtoto yangu ulitoka wapi? Hata watoto wenye tumezaliwa nao hawezi nisaidia. She's a lawyer. I've never seen her, but I got her when she was very sick. Umothe ni athia kanitha, umothe ni she does nyaruga geratu gateri. Gona gayajera gawera wake tu no kuhoera gamera didio doge do ahoere. So Mom, I'll come, I'll meet you. I know we are going to have that home with you with the name Dorcas na negasho keria gai gado. Nidikwaga kwa ya Shara. I'm the director of Topaz Driving College. Adona Mejadong haha. Na dona mheshimiwa akori ya Bakasi. Gakuya na ninidra ndikoici ninidirathomithia anake aito. They know how to ride the motorbikes but matire license and ikio matengeraga makora. That's why they are doing so many accidents. So I want to teach them how to the rules and regulations of the road nigetha magie na license matige kura. So mheshimiwa kore kififiri no ugoka thitogoka kore gwitore ikipia my girlfriend Bakasi the mutikohe. Tetigo, mheshimiwa, the mutikohe. Thank you, my DP. You're most welcome. Unamanyage niye na family yako na kanitha wa priesthood. We love you so much. We are praying for you. Ndukainame ngoro na hanini kigogona no gigukwaririria na ngukwira atore kayirira Ibrahim atenia God, amwira ni murata wake. It's my prayer uthi na mbere Ngai atuike murata waku nere kuhithuragiria thiri ndurabatara kwirwo ni mundu Ngai ari kuhithuragiria thiri ciake ciothe na ni ukuruga marengi na ihinda ria Ngai ria kinya kiria bangite utuike no ugutwika, and you're still a leader even right now. We cannot change the name our DP ona mangi ukaigana utire hindi ugacenjia nta bishop ona ngitiga gutwika bishop dagatiga wetwo bishop. So we'll continue calling you that name. You're still our DP and our leader, and know in priesthood people you have somewhere in our hearts. We love you so much. We are praying for you. So be strong in the Lord. Adoka ina ona hanini uroga meguo Ngai agwo koine gwaku na no gukorwo ti Ngai ari no ndo arenda gwika munene gukira oguo koguo ndukamake nĩ magerio maya moka ati ni ati tigogore kuri ni ati no nginya ari kuhonokia. We love you so much. Actually na ndrona ta wendetwo makiria mahi andu marakomenyire gukira uria kurari kiundu gikira umirire kiratumire tukuone gukira uria turakuonete. So be strong in the Lord na ujue mambo itakuwa sawa na tugukira uguo na ithuĩ na kuina na kunyua mai tutikwaria. Ngai akũrathime.